Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar class 6 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publication. Let's start chapter number 15, Articles. So let's learn children. Articles. There are three articles in the English language. English language में बच्चों हम three articles के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, a, an and the. Articles are used to modify noun and often function like demonstrative adjectives. So, articles nouns को modify करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं और कभी कभी ये demonstrative adjective का भी काम करते हैं, helping to point out और identify specific और general people or things. So, general people or things को या फिर specific people or things को identify करते हैं, point out करते हैं उनकी तरफ. The articles a and n are called indefinite articles. इन्हें हम indefinite articles कहते हैं. They refer to non-specific और general nouns. ये non-specific और general nouns को refer करते हैं, meaning any one person, place or thing, not a particular one. किसी भी particular one के लिए नहीं, general category के लिए ये हम use करते हैं indefinite articles का a और n. The article a is used before nouns beginning with a consonant sound, जो कि consonant sound से शुरू हो रहे होते हैं. उन nouns के लिए हम use करते हैं article a का. For example, Nandini wants to buy a safari car. So, आप देख रहे हो बच्चों, safari sound में consonant है, so we are using a. The article n is used before nouns beginning with a vowel sound. जिनमें vowel sound होती है उनके लिए हम n use करते हैं. For example, I eat an egg and drink a glass of juice in the morning. The article the is used to denote a specific noun. ये एक specific noun को denote करता है और refer to a specific person or thing. So it is called the definite article. Okay, for example, the sun is shining brightly. अब sun क्या है? एक ही है, specific noun है, so we are using the. Now, rules for using the indefinite articles a or n. There are three articles in the English language, a, n and the. We use a and n before countable in the singular number. सिंगुलर नंबर में जो काउंटेबल नाउन्स होते हैं हम उनके आगे इन्हें लगाते हैं, जैसे अ बुक, अ बॉय, अ कप, एन ऑरेंज, अ बुक, अ बनाना, एन ईगल, एन एलिफेंट. नाउ लुक एट दीज एग्जाम्पल्स. द कुकू लेज इट्स एग इन अ क्रोज नेस्ट. एन आउल इज अ बर्ड ऑफ प्रे. द आर्टिकल ए इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ काउंटेबल सिंगुलर नाउन, okay, that begins with a consonant sound, जैसे कि a horse, a banana, a clock. The words horse, banana and clock are all countable nouns. ये सब countable noun है in the singular number and begin with a consonant sound. Example देखेंगे. Little Red Riding Hood had a red hood. Mary had a little lamb. A man is sitting under a tree. A monkey is eating a banana. So ये सब काउंटेबल हैं और कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के साथ स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, जिनके भी आगे हमने आर्टिकल ए का यूज किया है. द आर्टिकल एन इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ काउंटेबल सिंगुलर नाउन दैट बिगिंस विद अ वोवेल साउंड, एन ऑफिसर, एन ऑक्टोपस, एन इंकपॉट. द वर्ड्स ऑफिस, ऑक्टोपस एंड इंकपॉट आर ऑल काउंटेबल नाउन in the singular number and begin with a vowel sound, तो हम इनके आगे n लगाएंगे. Read these sentences now. An octopus has 8 arms. The baby is eating an apple. I am going to buy an ink pot. Now, exceptions to the rules for using a and n. अब इनके भी कुछ exceptions होते हैं, वो क्या हैं? The indefinite article a is used with countable singular noun that begins with a vowel but have the sound of a consonant. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम a आर्टिकल को वहाँ पर भी यूज कर जाते हैं जो स्टार्ट तो vowel से होता है लेकिन उसकी साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट की होती है, जैसे a union, a 1 rupee coin, a university, European. So the words union, one, university and European begin with vowels U and E, right? But both words are pronounced with the Y-O-O, U sound, which is a consonant sound. So the word one begins with a vowel O, but it is pronounced with a W sound, which is also a consonant sound. So we say a 1 rupee note or a 1 year कोर्स. हम ये नहीं कहते एन 1 year कोर्स, क्योंकि जो साउंड है वो किसकी है, W की है. द indefinite article N is used with words that begin with the consonant H, but the H is silent and the word begins with a vowel sound, जैसे कि an hour, an honest worker, an MLA. So rules for using the definite article the देखते हैं बच्चों. The is used before a noun when it refers to a specific or particular person, place, animal or thing. So ये एक specific noun को refer करता है that is already known or has been mentioned earlier. Examples देखेंगे. I found the book you were looking for. So यहाँ एक specific book की बात हो रही है, so we are using the. She adopted the puppy that was abandoned near the school. That is the teacher who gave the motivational speech last week. We visited the museum near the riverfront yesterday. The house with the red door belongs to my aunt. We use the before superlative adjectives to refer to one person or thing that is the highest or lowest in degree within a group. So superlative degree के साथ भी हम the का use करते हैं. Examples: the tallest boy in the class won the race. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. She is the best dancer in our team. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. We use the before certain adjectives. कुछ certain adjectives के आगे हम the का ही use करते हैं, like first, last and next, to refer to specific positions. The next chapter will be more challenging. He was the last person to leave the auditorium. The is used with a common noun. Common noun के साथ use किया जाता है that stands for an entire species or class. जो एक पूरी class या फिर entire species के लिए हम noun use करते हैं, जैसे कि the cuckoo sings nicely. The lion is a ferocious animal. We use the before such noun as moon, sun, sky, stars, etc. Examples: the stars twinkle at night, the moon goes round the earth, the sun sets in the west, the sky is clear. We use the before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Example: the Nile is the longest river in Africa, the Thames flows through London, the Atlantic Ocean separates Europe and North America, the Arabian Sea borders the western coast of India. We use the before the names of mountain ranges. Example: the Andes stretch along the western coast of South America. Many rare animals live in the western Ghats. We use the before the names of holy books. Holy books के आगे भी हम the का use करेंगे. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. The Gita is the holy book of the Hindus. We use the before the names of aeroplanes, trains, ships, etc. Example: the Rajdhani Express is one of the fastest trains in India. The Airbus A380 is one of the largest passenger aircraft in the world. We use the before the names of countries. Countries के नाम के आगे भी if the name includes a common noun. Examples: the US is the strongest military power in the world. The USSR is a very cold country. We use the before the names of newspapers and magazines. Example: I read an interesting article in The Hindu this morning. The week covers current affairs and entertainment news. We use the before the names of famous buildings and monuments. जैसे कि I want to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris someday. Many tourists visit the Red Fort every year. Now, rules for omitting the article. We do not use articles before proper noun. Proper noun के आगे हम नहीं use करते as they refer to specific names. Examples: Paris is known for its beautiful architecture. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricketer. Articles are generally not used with abstract nouns जैसे कि ideas, qualities और concepts. Examples हैं इसके: freedom is a basic human right, kindness makes the world a better place. However, the article the is used when the abstract noun refers to a specific instant. जब बच्चों एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन किसी स्पेसिफिक इंस्टेंट के बारे में हमें बताता है तब हम द का यूज़ कर भी लेते हैं, जैसे कि द फ्रीडम वी इंजॉय टुडे इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ ईयर्स ऑफ स्ट्रगल. Articles are usually not used with material nouns, names of substances or materials. Example: iron is a strong metal, milk is good for your bones, water is essential for life. Now, certain exceptions in the use of articles. Some nouns can take an article in one context but not in another. So, किसी एक कॉन्टेस्ट में कुछ नाउन्स एक आर्टिकल को ले लेते हैं लेकिन दूसरे में नहीं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर दे आर यूज्ड इन अ जनरल और स्पेसिफिक सेंस. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है ऑयल इज यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग. सो यहाँ पर आपने यूज नहीं किया आर्टिकल. द ऑयल इन दिस बॉटल स्मेल्स स्ट्रेंज. सो ये इसके यूज पर डिपेंड करता है. इन सेंटेंस 1 नो आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड बिकॉज ऑयल इज अ मटेरियल नाउन हियर यूज्ड इन अ जनरल सेंस. And in sentence 2, the article the is used because oil refers to a particular quantity of oil in a specific bottle. Now consider these sentences. Spanish is spoken in many countries. The Spanish are known for their rich culture. In sentence 1, no article is used as Spanish is the name of a language which is a proper noun, right? Or in sentence 2, the is used because the Spanish refers to the people of Spain as a group or nation. Okay? So यहाँ पर group की बात हो रही है तो हमने the का use किया है. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with a, an and the. He bought an umbrella before the monsoon started. There is an owl on that tree. She wants to be an astronaut when she grows up. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. We saw an eagle flying above the mountains. Ria met an honest police officer yesterday. Rest of the part, children, you will do yourself. Insert the correct articles. I have filled it for you. Last week, an old farmer found an injured bird lying in his field. He gently picked it up and carried it to a shed behind his house. The bird had hurt its wings and could not fly. The farmer gave it some water and wrapped it in a soft cloth. After an hour, the bird started to feel better. The next day, he took it to a vet. The vet said that with care, the bird would be able to fly again. कॉलम ए है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. An owl hooted from the top of the hill. The Taj Mahal is a famous historical monument. She offered me a banana to the monkey. He picked up an honest admission. The child saw a unicorn in her dream. Ria got a unique opportunity to learn. They entered the classroom without knocking. The lecture started after a delay of 30 minutes. We bought an umbrella for the rainy season and he is known to be an honorable man. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.